Hello guys again and welcome back to another unboxing, viewing and testing, and today we've got this Sofirn SC31 Pro LED flashlight, super bright, 2000 lumen. Well, let's jump in to see what we've got inside and how we can use it and all the options, the specs and how much brightness it can give us at the night. Inside, of course, we've got the manual. If you want to read it, it's your choice, but stay with me, we're gonna find out all about this product. Some accessories, wristband. You can install it here and put it to your arm. We've got a cable, nice premium cable, type A to type C. It is about 80 centimeters, nice. And another 2 rings inside, because this is an IP68 waterproof. Oh, nice, small and beautiful. I like it. Feels very nice to my hand. We have a portable clip here. Nice. In front we've got an LED type SST40. It can cover about 400 meters. We're going to find out together if it's true or not. Sofirn SC31 Pro. Hot is getting in this area. It can go underwater about 2 meters. IP68 waterproof. It is a very lightweight. It only weighs about 59 grams without the battery. We have a memory function and smart design. It will start again to the last light level when switch it off. And let's unscrew it and reveal inside the battery. We've got the Sofirn 18650 Li-ion 3.7 3000 mAh battery, and there is the ring around that I told you. You can replace it when it's broken. All that is aluminium, tights very well, and we can see we've got a low green light here. And of course, here we've got the Type-C connection. You can charge it with a 5V 2A adapter, or you can charge it with your power bank. And there we've got the red LED, that means it's charging, and it will go to green when it's fully charged. And we've got this rubber sealed cap here. Just press it and it will seal very well the Type-C connection, and no water it will go inside. Fits at my palm. It's quite small, but definitely quite powerful. And because it is so small, you can take it with you at your pocket, bag, for traveling, for camping. You can have it to your car, to your bike, and use it at the right time. Definitely you will find the right way to use it. And of course we've got an advanced temperature regulation ATR technology. It adjusts the bright level automatically when the light temperature reaches 45 degrees to keep the light from overheating. Low voltage protection makes the light step down to a lower level when the battery is lower than 2.8 volt, and if the light is already at the lowest level, it shuts down itself automatically. And there's the button, just press it, it will turn on. It feels very nice to my finger, very soft. It's like a gel. And we can see we've got this finish around, this silver finish. Press and hold. It will increase the brightness. Press and hold, decrease the brightness. And this is the moon mode. It is most for reading. Very friendly for reading at the dark room. And again press and will increase. Double press, it will go to the turbo mode. Double press, off turbo mode. Double press, on turbo mode. And turn it off. And you can check, of course, on the battery when it's off. Triple click, 1, 2, 3. 3 blinks, a short pause. Then 8 blinks will indicate 3.8 volts. And off. Next we've got the momentary mode. Click 5 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This mode, it will lock the flashlight into a single mode, and it will turn on the flashlight only if we are going to push the button. To exit from the momentary mode, just unscrew the flashlight and screw it back on, power on. Next we've got the marble mode. It is for others who know a little bit about flashlight. It has a reduced output to make sure somebody won't start a fire. To enter the marble mode, just click 6 times from off, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And it will increase, but this is the maximum, and decrease by just hold. And this is the maximum light. And to exit from the marble mode, just click 6 times again, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Next we've got the electronic lockout. Just click 4 times when off, 1, 2, 3, 4. And when we are pressing the button, it only lights up in this light level. Electronic lockout makes the light safe to carry in a pocket or a bag or anywhere else, and prevent you to accidentally turn it on and put it to the turbo mode when the brightness it is so high. And again, to unlock the electronic mode, just press 4 times, 1, 2, 3, 4. And that it is. Next we've got the beacon mode. Turn on the flashlight, adjust the brightness where you want and press 4 times. And this is the beacon mode. And you can repeat that again. Off. Next we've got the group 2, this is the strobe. Click 2 times and hold to the 3rd click. 1, 2, 3. And the first mode is the candle mode. You can see it's flickering like a candle. Press 2 clicks fast and you will go to the bike flasher. 2 clicks again, party strobe. Motion freezing strobe can be used to freeze spinning fans and falling water, adjustable speed. Tactical strobe, 2 clicks. This is a disorientating strobe light, can be used to irritate people. It will be a very good choice when you want to defend yourself to other people. Definitely it will be very unpleasant to look at this flashlight. 2 clicks again and it will go to the lighting storm mode. Flashes add random brightness and random speed to simulate lighting strikes during a busy lighting storm. Do not look directly to the LED because it may suddenly go to the full power without warning. Nice. And off. And of course, other option is to check the temp of the flashlight, calibrate the current temperature, check the voltage of your flashlight. Next we've got the bottom LED is on low brightness as default. You can change in the order of low, medium, blink off. We'll light this off. Fast click 7 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And now you can see you will have your green light always on and you are not going to lose it at the dark places. You will find definitely your flashlight. And again, to turn it off, just press 7 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Goes to the flashing mode, this green light. And pressing again 7 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And now it is turning off and you cannot see anything. And again pressing 7 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And you will have this low green light. Nice, nice options on that. And you've got 2 options when you want to increase and decrease your flashlight. First is when you're pressing and hold, decreasing, increasing. The other mode, just press when the flashlight is on, 3 clicks, 1, 2, 3, and then press and hold. First step, press and hold, second step. And as much as you're pressing, it goes on. But in these options, just press and hold and will go 1 step up or 1 step down. And all the time you can go instantly to the turbo mode. Just press 2 times and again off. And you can go to the moon mode, just press and hold instantly to the moon mode. There are so many options to use this flashlight. Definitely it will be very fun to have it at your hand and play with it. I like it so much. Well, I think the next step is to move on and test it at the night to see how much brightness it can give us and the distance that it can cover. And here we are, guys. It can light up very well this rod. This is in turbo mode. Nice. You can see very good. Lower. And there's my friend trying to run in slow motion. Okay. And you can see him very well. Whoa. It is far, far away. Yep. I can see you. Great. I like this flashlight. Small and portable and very powerful. Great job. You can see very clear. And here you can see on the light beam. Nice. And here we can see very clear all the trees, the grass, everything. Nice. And it's working very smoothly. I like it. Definitely you will see the other person very well. You can have it with you at vacation, at your camping, holidays, wherever you want, at your pocket for safety. Definitely it will help you. It has so many options and adjustments that you can find very helpful and play with this flashlight and find the best adjustments that you want and use them at the right time. And with all that, guys, this is the end of the video. Check down below to the description. You can find out all about this product, where you can buy it, more information. Thank you again for watching. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel, like or dislike my video, your choice. Share this video, you never know who may need it. Hit the notification bell because more videos in the future are coming and you don't want to miss it. Have a nice and lovely day. Bye bye.